Here we are given the following problem: 4 to the a plus 4 to the b power is equal to 80, and a plus b is equal to 5. So we're asked to find the value of a, b. So this is a tricky question, but it's not too tricky. We can actually solve this question together. So let's see what we know. So we know that 4 to the a plus 4 to the b is equal to 80. However, we don't have any, let's say we don't have any part of the equation where we could actually get a plus b. And how to do this is, let me rewrite the equation. So 4 to the a plus 4 to the b is equal to 80. So in order to get the power to be equal to a, so either we're going to get the power to be a plus b or b plus a. So we're going to try to actually formulate a way in which we could do this. So let's see how we can do this. So if we should multiply throughout by 4 to the a, so let's do that. 4 to the a being multiplied by 4 to the a plus 4 to the b being multiplied by 4 to the a. And whatever we do on one side of the equation, we have to do to the other side. So this is equal to 80 times 4 to the a. Okay, good. So we are actually at a good start. So 4 to the a times 4 to the a, which would simply be 4 to the a squared, 4 to the a all squared. And this would simply be, because these have the same base, we could simply add the powers. So this is 4 to the a plus b. And this is exactly what we wanted from here. And on the right hand side, it would simply be 80 times 4 to the a. All right, so 80. So we know that a plus b is 5, right? So we could actually rewrite this a bit. So let's say let 4 to the a be equal to x. And we know that a plus b is equal to 5. So we're actually on a really good path right now. So we could actually just substitute x and substitute 5 in our equation. So x squared plus 4 to the 5th power is equal to 80x. And this is shaping up to be a really nice quadratic equation. So we need to know what 4 to the 5th power is. That is simply 2 to the 10th power, and that is 1024. Yes. So x squared plus 1024. And let's bring over, or let's subtract 80x from both sides. So minus 80x, and this would be equal to 0. So this is really good. We would simply need to solve the quadratic in order to find the values of a and b. So now we have x squared minus 80 x plus 1024 is equal to 0. And by factorizing or using the AC method, we could actually break apart this quadratic equation. We could say that x squared, this would be 16 times 64, yes, so negative 64x minus 16x plus 1024 is equal to 0. So let's factor out x. So now we have x minus 64, and let's factor out negative 16, and we have x minus 64 equal to 0. So x minus 16 is equal to 0, or x minus 64 is equal to 0. And that is really good, because from here we could say that x is equal to 16 or x is equal to 64. Now recall that we actually made 4 to the a power being equal to x. So we would need to actually plug that back into our equation to actually solve. So 4 to the a is equal to 16, and 4 to the a is equal to 64. So when 4 to the a is equal to 16, so the possible solution for that is when a is equal to 2. And if a is equal to 2, that means b is equal to 3, because a plus b is 5, and in this instance ab is equal to 6. Okay, great. And the same would apply here. So 4 to the 3rd power would be, so 4 squared 16, 4 times 16. So a in this instance would be 3, and b in this instance would be 2. So A times B is still 6. So this would leave the possible solution. So AB is equal to 6, and that would be our solution. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one.